Excel INTRATE function. This function returns the interest rate for a fully invested security. It calculates the equivalent annual interest rate based on the investment and redemption amounts. The syntax is INTRATE with parameters, settlement, maturity, investment, redemption, and an optional basis. It calculates the annualized rate of return between purchase and redemption. There are 5 arguments: settlement, the date the security is traded to the buyer; maturity, the date when it expires; investment, the amount invested; redemption, the amount received at maturity; and basis, an optional day count basis type from 0 to 4. Here's an example. We have a security with a settlement date of February 15, 2008, maturing on May 15, 2008. The investment is $10 million. The redemption is $10,144,200, using an actual over 360-day count basis. The INTRATE function returns 5.77%. This is the annualized interest rate earned on the fully invested security over the holding period. Watch out for common errors. A value error occurs when settlement or maturity is not a valid date. A num error occurs when investment or redemption is less than or equal to 0, basis is out of range, or settlement is on or after maturity. Key points to remember. INTRATE calculates the equivalent annual interest rate for a zero-coupon security. It is the inverse of the received function. It is commonly used for Treasury bills and other discount instruments. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next one.